Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. Alright family, I got my family over today. I got my daughter, my son-in-law, and 2 of my 14 grandkids. And we're going to do something real simple for supper tonight. And by the way, what y'all see me doing is tying up this short doggone apron. The company, they manufactured this apron wrong and make my string too short. And they won't go around the front like they're supposed to and do the double. Okay, anyway, all right, family, we're going to do something real simple today. And I think y'all are going to like it. So y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back. I'll show you everything that we're going to do. We're going to keep this simple, fast, down and dirty. All right, family, we'll be right back. All right, family, what we're going to do on the Big Easy Turkey Fryer, we're going to do some, we're calling these bagel pizzas, I guess. I've seen this on the internet, or I've seen a version of it, and I've been wanting to try this. So we're going to take some blueberry bagels. We got plain bagels, pepper jack cheese for me. We have some creamy mozzarella cheese. We got pepperoni. We got ham. That's all the ingredients we're going to need. I'm thinking about maybe trying some cream cheese on top of one of mine, but that's yet to be seen. So all right, family, we're gonna go ahead and put these together real simply. We're gonna stick them in the Big Easy Turkey Fryer. Shouldn't take but about 5 minutes for those things to crisp up and for that cheese to melt, and it'll be supper time. All right, family, y'all stand by. All right, family, we're gonna do 2 and 2. We're gonna do 2 plain, and we're gonna do 2 blueberry. And the reason we're doing 2 and 2 is we're limited on space. I'm just going to use that top bunk basket in the Big Easy Turkey Fryer. And so we're going to go ahead and put these together. And we're going to start out with, what should we put first? I forgot an ingredient. Y'all stand by. All right, family. What's the main ingredient in pizza? Pizza sauce. And so in order to keep this really simple, I got the squeezed pizza sauce. Ooh, that smells pretty good. Tomatoey. All right, family, so we'll go ahead and put the pizza sauce. Let's shake that up a little bit. All right, we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle some pizza sauce on each one of these. I think I'm gonna run out of room. We may have to go half and half. All right, family, there you have it. Just that simple. So we're gonna go ahead and do this batch, and while we're waiting on that batch to crisp up, we'll go ahead and prepare 4 more. All right, more pizza sauce. Let's go ahead and open up the pepper jack cheese. We're gonna do the next batch with pepper jack, and I'm gonna add some ham on mine. That's right. Next batch is for Big Daddy. Hey, buddy. All right, family, I don't know if y'all can see him or not, but that's one of my younger grandkids. That's Anakin. And who you dressed up as, Anakin?
Mario!
Mario!
My brother woman is dressed up as Luigi.
Luigi. All right, fam.
From the Super Mario.
Super Mario. All right, fam. We're going to go ahead and put a little ham on a couple of these. And these are my meat lover All right, let's go ahead and put that dome on top of these so we can speed up that cooking process. All right, fam, this should take about another 2 minutes or so. We'll pull these off and then we'll put in the next batch. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. This is gonna be a good one. All right, buddy. Watch out so Papa can do this hot. Sit over there. All right, fam. It's been about 5 minutes real time, and these are starting to smoke a little bit. So that means it's time to pull them.
They smell good.
I know. We're gonna try to keep it that way. Ooh, that thing is hot.
Ooh. Even went through the mitten.
Yes, even through the mitten it's hot.
That is scary.
I know, right? Woo-wee! That sounds like Luigi. Woo-wee! Ow.
Luigi.
Luigi! Ah, yeah. All right, fam.
Hi, Dad. You put me in the video too.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so no. I can put it by your coffee pot and it'll be in line with the GFI and be protected.
Okay.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
I'm gonna be back.
All right, bud. All right, fam. Batch number 2 going in. This is the part of life that's so good, fam. Check this out. Nice and crispy, cheesy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start serving these up. Bring this back out for the next batch. Y'all stay tuned. All right, fam. Batch number 2 coming off. What you about to tell me? Here's my other grandson. Come here.
It's a Mia Luigi.
All right, don't knock. Don't
Mia,
knock it
the
over.
Mario brother.
All right,
He
fella.
put pizza sauce because he's making pizza bagel.
Pizza bagels, absolutely. You heard it from the man. He said I'm making pizza bagels. All right, fella.
Pizza bagel.
All right, y'all be careful. This is hot.
Hot.
All right, fam.
That's
I'm gonna
why.
sit this over here,
That is our specialty.
and we're about to pull off batch number 2.
Those look good.
Family, and if you saw earlier, my son-in-law came out. He was talking to me. He's doing some electrical work.
Fireball.
Papa talking. All right, y'all go inside. All right, family. Like I was saying, my son-in-law's over here. He's doing some electrical work. We're almost done with the house. If you're watching that series, we're almost done. Woo! And it's been a long one. It's been a long ride, y'all. There we go, family. That's more like it. All right, fam, we're gonna pull batch number 2, take it inside, and I think we're gonna go with one more batch, and we're gonna call it good. Oh yeah, nice and crispy. Yes, sir. All right, YouTube fam, just like last time, my phone got hot on me. I gotta try to cycle this thing through. It's the heat of Louisiana and the heat of the Big Easy turkey fryer. So I gotta kind of cycle the phone through, maybe put it in an ice bath or something. But with that being said, I've done 3 batches of the bagel pizzas and they came out perfect. Now there was 2 reasons I chose that. When I called my son-in-law and asked him to come over and help me with some electrical, and he is an electrician by the way, to help me with some electrical, he said, hey, we haven't eaten yet. Can you put us something together real quick? And I'm like, booyah, bagel pizzas. I've been wanting to try those. And since I'm in the middle of that Big Easy series, trying to teach y'all how this thing can be used any time of the year, this was the perfect solution. And they're in there eating right now, y'all. And those things are, matter of fact, I've cut the Big Easy off, and those are mine right there. Those are the blueberry bagels with the meat lovers toppings. It's got it all, baby. All right, fam. Like I said earlier, if y'all caught that, if I was able to record it before the phone went dead, the only problem with this is the cleanup. So next time I do these, and there will be a next time, because I'm getting this thing down to perfection. Woo! But anyway, I'm going to line the bottom of that thing with some aluminum foil or one of those aluminum trays that I use to catch. If you've been around the channel for a while, you know I use those to catch the grease and to keep the bottom of that tray clean. So family, if y'all enjoyed this video, matter of fact, before we close it out, I'm going to let these finish, and I'm going to show y'all what they look like, the finished product on the last two that are just for Big Daddy. Y'all stand by. All right, now what do you think about them?
It's delicious. I rate it 1005 stars.
5 stars? Oh.
1005 stars.
Oh, that's the highest rating I've ever got. 1,005 stars. It's off the chain. All right, family, y'all heard it, babes. Y'all heard it from the mouth of a babe, and babes never lie. So you know they must be good. But the Fitzgerald like it too?
He sure does.
All right, fam, that's my daughter. She's liking it. And look at that crispness. Booyah. And where's the rest of the batch? This is my son-in-law. He's in here working on the electrical. Tell you too high.
Hey, what up, fam?
Yeah, we don't want him to do a whole lot of talking because he got electrical stuff in his hand. But there you go, fam. Check it out. Thumbnail. All right, fam, don't get no better than that. That was simple, to the point, perfect. And there will be more videos to come. Tell them bye.
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 Bye, YouTubers.
That's what family's all about, y'all. I'm enjoying this retirement. I'm enjoying my family. I'm enjoying my life. Can't get no better than this. Family, we're going to go ahead and bring this thing to a close right here. This video got to be a little bit longer than I thought, than I wanted it to be. But fam, let's check on mine. All right, fam, and we're gonna leave y'all right there. You heard it from the mouth of the babe. You heard it from my family. Those things were delicious. Now it's time for a little cleanup, and we're gonna bring this one in for a lap. If y'all enjoyed this video, y'all give your boy a thumbs up. Y'all tell your family, things about to get serious about this and that. We're finna do a whole lot of turkey fry cooking, a whole lot of my hot logic cooking. We got a lot of good stuff, a lot of good footage coming at y'all. We're about to do some changes out here in the hog to get some pavement done right here in the hog pen. We're about to build ourselves a new table to get rid of those plastic tables. It's about to get real, y'all. I ain't been long enough, but I just can't get enough of y'all. If you enjoyed this video, give your boy a thumbs up, and I will catch y'all in the next video. It's your boy Rosie. Peace.